So welcome to another example of our one setup for life in the London Killzone, right? So first, you need to identify where the market is going in order for you to know exactly when you are going to anticipate the ICT Judas swing or the manipulation. First, let's look at the charts first. Alright, so here as you can see, at the left side of the market, we have here a 15-minute fair value gap, which is a higher time frame point of interest that the price might react into. Right? So let's mark it out. 15 minutes fair value gap. Next is let's wait for the London Killzone. It's from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. By the way, I'm currently charting GBP USD, right? So we want to see a manipulation or a Judas swing in this time window in the London Killzone, alright? We want to see price go lower before going higher, since we have here a high time frame point of interest, alright? By the way, let me paste this guide right here for our one setup for life. Let's wait for price to meet with time. At the same time, reaching into that higher time frame point of interest. Alright, so as we can see right here, we reached a high time frame point of interest, which is this 15-minute fair value gap. Now we want to see a sell side liquidity taken and a market structure shift. Let's go into the 5-minute time frame. We want to enter on the lower time frame. So let's see. And as you can see right here, sell side liquidity taken. Now let's wait for a market structure shift or any entry setup. Let's go on into the lower time frame to see all the price action movement. So looking at this chart, here we have a very big fair value gap. Alright, this is a 3-minute fair value gap. And at the same time, here we have also another fair value gap, which means this is a BPR. This area right here is our BPR, right? So, since this area right here is already a valid entry setup, we can take our entry position right here. Since we already reached a higher time frame point of interest, we already took out a sell side liquidity, meaning we are on the right side of the chart. We have already multiple confluences. We also have a displacement right here. So this fair value gap right here, we can leverage this into our advantage. You can enter right here, place your stop loss in this swing low. You can aim for the nearest buy side liquidity or aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward. Alright, so as we can see right here, we have our buy side liquidity right here and also our buy side liquidity right here. Alright, as we can see, we already reached higher time frame point of interest, 15-minute fair value gap, sell side liquidity taken. We also have a fair value gap right here in the form of BPR. Alright, now let's wait for price. Our entry is in this fair value gap, alright? And as you can see, we are on the trend. The price is now trying to go up. And it's looking very good so far. It has taken this buy side liquidity already. Let's see if we are hitting take profit right away. The price retraced lower, taking out this sell side liquidity once again, and then now it has continued higher, maybe right into our take profit. Once again, price retraces back into this fair value gap before continuing higher. And as we can see that very strong impulse movement right there to take out this buy side liquidity. Now we got our take profit hit. Alright, so this is our example for our one setup for life for the London Killzone.